Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, everything is okay, guys. I hope everything is okay. So, let's start. In the previous video, we have learned link, color, CSS, everything. So, today we will start the new topic of HTML table. So, today we will know about the table, what is the table, and why use the table in our HTML. Okay, so we will learn today. So, let's start without wasting our time. So what is the HTML table? HTML table allow web developer to arrange the data in the proper structure way and the row wise or column wise. Okay. So HTML provides to display the data in the proper structured way in the tabular format. HTML table provide the displayed to the data in our UI as a tabular format. Okay, in the proper way, just like column wise or row wise. So that is the column, company, contact, country, this is the column, and this is the row. What is the horizontal is the row, and the vertical is the column. Okay, so how use the table using HTML? So HTML provide the table elements includes some tr, th, th means t header, table header. Okay, th means table header, td means table data, tr means table row. That is the short form of table row, table header, table row. Td means table data. Okay, table is that elements, HTML elements. So we'll see using with practical. Okay, we'll use table element with practical. So let's open the code, vs code, that is the editor. Okay, so let's go to the folder, create one folder that is called HTML practices. Okay, inside the folder we'll open the command prompt, cmd, open the code editor, vs code. We'll use the code vs code editor. Okay, for writing the code. Okay, so now uh, I already moved inside the HTML practices folder. Okay, here we will create one file that is called table.html. Okay, what is the extension of html.html? Okay, table.html. Okay, now create now create the structure first, that is the doc type HTML. Again html. Inside the HTML, create the head. Inside the head, create the title. So what is the title? Table. That is the table example, okay. And after that we need to open the body. And inside the body uh, write one table tag. Okay, it's a represent table. Okay, when open the table tag, so it will display the table. Inside the table, what needs to be fixed? First we need to create tr. First we need to create one tr, that is hold our table header. Okay, first create one tr. Inside the tr we need to use th means table header. That is the one, first one, serial number. Okay, second th means table header name. Okay, third table header email. Fourth table header mobile number. Okay, so that is four column I already created. I have created four column. First column is serial number, second column is name, third column is email, fourth column is mobile number, and it is the table header. Okay, again create another tier. It will hold the table data, td, table data. First data is one, serial number is one. Okay, second table data, what is the second table data? Name. Here I already created the name header, right? So we need to display here name, name. Okay, so Mohan Kumar. Okay, and third column data email. Okay, Mohan dot Kumar at gmail.com. That is the third data. Okay, and what is the fourth column data? TT, mobile number 123456789 0. Okay, so that is the another one row. This is the one row, right? This is the one row. It's hold the table data. That is the first row. It hold the table header. Okay, save it. After saving, just go here and copy the path. Copy path, go to the browser, paste here path and hit enter. So as you can see, it is the display, but it's not showing as a tabular format, right? It is not showing a border, right? It's not showing a border. So why it's not showing the border? We need to check. As you can see here, it's showing the border, but in our code it's not showing. It's not displaying the border, but here already showing. So in that case, we need to add some CSS. Okay, so I already explained you previously. So how use the CSS? First option is using inline, second is external, internal and external. So in this code we will use internal style. Okay, internal, or no, here for now just we will use internal. Okay, using style tag inside the head. So table, we need to provide table using tag name. We will provide the border 1 pixel solid, 1 pixel solid, gray light gray. Okay, save save it and refresh. So as you can see, border is showing, but it's showing outside only. Okay, so it's showing outside. If I am providing only the table, so it's showing only outside. So here after table, just we will use td, th and td, th and td also we will include, but it's not showing. Why? Go to the document, check once. Okay, I think I did not use the column here, so put column also, put comma also, comma, th and td, and again save it. Go to the browser and refresh. So as you can see table with border showing properly. Okay, showing properly. Here use another use the padding also, padding 2 pixel. So you will get some space, between the content, right? You will get some space between the content. Okay, between the content. And if you want to add more more row, so you can add, just change the serial number, and name also. Sohan, save it, go to the browser and refresh it. So as you can see, you are able to see second row also. Okay, second row also. And if you want to add one more row, if you want to add one more row, just change the serial number and save it. go to the browser and refresh it. So as you can see, you already get another one more row. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, TD, I already explained you. TD means table data, table data tag. TD enable each table cell is defined by the TD. Each table cell defined by the table TD. TD means table data, it will show table data. And th means table header, whatever header showing inside the first column, so that is the table header. Th, this is the table header, this is the table header. Okay, and second row, table data, TD, this is the TD, this is the TD. First row, whatever showing in the bold format, in the darker bold, that is the table header. Okay, tr represent the table row, tr represent the table row, that is the one row, that is the second row, third row, fourth row, that is represent the table row. TR means table row. Th means table header. Th means table header. Okay, table border. Table border. How use the table border? So as you can see, I already provide inside the CSS table border. I already provide the table and th and td. Okay, I already provide the border 1 pixel, solid, light gray, this is the represent the color, this is represent the solid. If I use here dashed, so as you can see, if here use instead of solid, if you use a dashed, so as you can see, it's showing the dotted dashed border. Okay, means dotted border. If you use the solid, so it will display the proper solid format. Okay, if you use solid, so it will display the solid border. Okay, so table th and td, if you want to provide the border, so you can use the inline style, or you will use the external or internal both. Collapsed table border. Okay, another is collapsed table border. What is the collapsed table border? Collapsed table border to avoid the double border, like the example above. As you can see, it's showing the double border. This is the first outer border, this is the second one. Okay, because every cell contain the our own border, and table contain the our own border. Okay, so that is the collapse border. In that case, we need to replace, we need to remove this one. We need to avoid having double border, like in the above example, in this example, like this. So set the css border collapse property to collapse. Okay, this will make like this will make like this. So so one property we need to use here, border hyphen collapse. That is the property we will use, border hyphen collapse. Just use collapse and refresh the page. As you can see, outer border gone, outer border gone, only the inner borders displaying here. Okay, so that is the collapse property. So you will use inside the css border hyphen collapse, that is the style property. This is the value, collapse value, assign the collapse value. So it will remove the collapsing border. Okay, whatever showing the double border, so it will remove. Style table border. Okay, style table border, if you set background color of each cell and give the border as a white color. As you can see, every cell contain the background color, and whatever the border color showing as a white. So you will use some property. Just border here, just border I am assigning here light gray. Just use the white solid, just use the white border, use the white. And table td background, th and td, use the th and td, use the th and td. Background color, background color, background color aqua, background color aqua, and save this one.
refresh the page. Border has been gone, but here comma I missed. Just fix this one. See, as you can see, every cell contained some background color. Every cell contained the background color, and border showing the white, because I already provide here border white, border color provide the white, and th and td background color provide the aqua. That's why color showing background color showing as equal aqua, and the border showing white. Rounded border. So in that case table table td and th, here you can use the border radius 5 pixel, 5 pixel. Okay, border radius 5 pixel, and refresh this one. So as you can see, every border showing edge, every border display the rounded, every border showing edge rounded, as you can see whatever the border corner showing edge rounded. Okay, dotted border, I already explained you. Dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, rich, inset, outset, none, hidden. That is the another css property. So as per your requirement you can use. Okay, as per your choice you can, if you want to table border, make a table border as dotted, so you can use the dotted. If you want to make table border as a dashed, so you can use the dashed property. If you want to solid, so you can use the solid. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here, what I'm explaining here. Okay, so table size, next move to the table size. What is the table size? How you can put the size, how to put the height, width of cell, how to uh, assign the size of cell and row, column. Okay, so I will show you how you can manage table size. If you want to provide here inside the table, if you will provide some style, or here I will show you using class name. Use the class name here, that is called table style. Okay, that is the class name. Copy using css here, just use table style class name using dot. Here just provide the width. Here I will provide the width 100%. So as you can see, I will show you inside the output. You can see your table showing as a 100%. Okay, your table showing as a 100%. If you provide the um, here width, provide the 60%, and save this one, refresh. So as you can see, you will get. Okay, and here text align center, I will provide the text align center. So every content showing as a center, as you can say, your every content showing as a center. Okay, so that is the size property, table size, that is the size property. Okay, there are a lot of size. If you want to provide th, if you want to provide column width, so you can use the column width also. Okay, inside the th, if you want to provide 70% first name, so your first name showing as 70%. So I will show you. If you want to this th style, I will use the style inline. Width, we want to use width here, 20%. First serial number, right? Serial number. Refresh the page. As you can see your serial number showing as a 20%. Your serial number column showing 20%. If you want to provide name, name width, name column width, if you want to provide as a 30%, 30%, 30%. So refresh the page. As you can see, your name increased, right? Email, email, use the style, width 50%. I will make 50%. So refresh the page. As you can see, your width showing as a 50%, right? So that is the CSS property. Okay, so whatever you want as per your requirement, you can modify. And another thing, table header. What is a table header? I already explained you. Table header means th, whatever you provide inside the th, it will show as a table header. Okay, table header always showing as a bold format. Okay, table header always showing bold format. Padding and spacing, padding and spacing. So padding I already explained here. Padding, if you want to provide padding, so inside the th, if you want to provide padding, I will remove this padding here. I will show you. If you want to provide the padding inside the th means table header. Inside the table header, if you want to provide padding, table header, I will provide table padding 5 pixel. Go to the output and refresh this one. So as you can see, your table header, inside the header, padding is applied. Okay, padding means left, right, top, bottom. It will give some space. It will give some space. I will here I will put some 40% width. This one. Just I will remove 40. This is the 20. This is the 10. That the mobile number I will provide. So this one. So your serial number, name, and I want to provide some padding inside the inside the column, also inside the table data, inside the table data here, table data. So say if you want to provide same padding, so just you will make here comma and tt. So your padding applied inside the uh, data also. Okay, header and data, padding spacing. Okay, call span and row span. What is the call span? What is the call span? So that is the call span. If you want to provide call span to call span and row span, call span, it will make cell as a, I will show you as example. If you want name, if you want to provide the name header as a 2 column, inside the name column, if you want to add 2 more column, so just here you will provide call span 2. I will show you how it look like. I will show you how it look like. Refresh the page. So as you can see, your name contain 2 column. Your name contain 2 column. Here we need to modify the code also. TD, here we need to add one more TD because name contain the two column, right? First is the first name and second is the second name, like this. Add one more name, add one more TD instead of after the name. Okay, so go to the output. So like this is the call span. You will provide the call span, right? So one column contain row. Call span, you already provide the call span 2. Call span 2 means inside the name you provide the call span 2 means one name column contain the 2 another column, right? Inside the one column, this is the call span 2 means name column contain another 2 column data, right? And what is the row span? What is the row span? That is the call span, right? What is the row span? Row span, I will show you. Row span, if one row, for example, that is the one more Mohan row, right? Mohan row, that is the one row. Mohan row, if you want to provide inside the one row, if you want to provide add two more row, right? If Mohan Kumar contain, if Mohan Kumar contain two email ID, right? If Mohan Kumar contain two mobile number, for example, Mohan Kumar has a two email ID and two phone number. So in that case, we need to add inside the Mohan Kumar, we need to add row span equal to 2. So go to the output, and refresh the page. So as you can see, Mohan Mohan contain the two row here, right? So in that case, we need to align here also, add, okay, like this. So that is the row span and call span. So I hope you guys understand row span, call span. Also table styling. What is the table styling? Table styling means if we want to make a table as a uh, fully styled, for example, if you want to provide even an odd background table like this, stripped table, stripped like stripped, if you add background color on every other table row, you will get nice zebra stripped effect like this. So in that case we need to add inside the css, I will show you. Tr column nth child, remove the call span here, remove the call span, or you can put here, no problem, no problem. In that case, if we want to provide some stripped table, so in that case tr, just add tr nth, tr nth, nth child, tr nth child as even, if we want to provide as even. Okay, even and odd, there are two cases, even and odd. I want to provide for now as even background color. I will provide color. I will provide light blue, light blue, light blue. I will provide light blue, and here just remove the table th background. Okay, border just make light gray, light gray, light gray. Okay, okay. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. So as you can see, just remove the just remove border radius also, just remove border radius also, then it will look good. See, in the that is the even case, that is the even case, right? If you want to make as odd, so just add odd and refresh the page. So as you can see, you will get first, third, fifth. If you have a multiple row, I will add another 4 5 row, then you will understand properly, you will get properly. I added more column. So in that case, see, first, third, third, fifth, seventh. This is the odd case. And if you want to add nth child, if you want to add even, so you will get as even like this, 2 4 6, 2 4 6, right? So that is the styling. Okay. In the same case, if we want to provide td and th as a same thing, this is this will display only a row format. If you want to provide as a column format, so in that case you just add th nth child as a even. I will provide even and comma td also th also, table header also, nth child as a even background color just to provide light pink. Okay, just go to the output and refresh the page. So as you can see, as you can see uh, just remove the call span. It's not looking good, that's why I'm removing. Just remove Kumar, control remove, save this one, refresh. So as you can see, you will get as a even format. Okay, even, it will display as even. If you want to change, instead of even, if you want to change as odd, then you will get first, third, seventh, first, third, seventh column, right? It will display like this. So I hope you guys understand. So today we'll stop this video. Okay, we will meet on the next video. uh, Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.